Thank you for checking out the QB-4. The QB-4 is an ultrasonic bird repeller that's generally used indoor or in semi-enclosed spaces. The unit itself has 4 separate speakers to give it an omnidirectional coverage. It covers roughly 6,400 square feet and it's used for practically any bird. The great thing about the QB-4 is that it's silent to humans, but birds absolutely hate it. So if you have a warehouse space where people are working, it's not going to hinder your daily activity, but yet it's still going to reroute the birds silently.